From the providers, EnvyBox is a wireless weather station, smart weather station. Connects to your wireless connection of the smartphone and what you get inside the box. Give you a close-up look at the instruction guide, simply to go over. The weather station, battery operated, 3 AA batteries. Please remember to peel the film off the front. Hanging eye hooks, kickstand, and the battery compartment. Excluded 3 AA batteries. Some plugs and a USB-C cable. The plugs are nails that you simply find a spot on the wall, nail in, place the unit up, match the whole area, and hang. Turning on the unit for the first time, the overlay and all the screen lights up in full brightness. On the top is a feather touch for Z and for the brightness increment levels of dimming down to the fullest and off, and then back to the full brightness. Opening up your smartphone, looking for smart weather in the settings. With the information provided in the manual, we are now able to use the app. Going into your settings, hitting smart weather, entering information, opening up to the main screen. In the smart weather screen, we have all the information provided. By hitting over here, we change to English. We are then able to go to Wi-Fi, the display, and alarm center. In the display center, we have the time format of AM and PM, or 24-hour military time. We can change from the day, month, or month and day. And the temperature unit starts in default Celsius or Fahrenheit. We have 3 different servers and a brightness level. We have a night mode to set up to go dark at 10 and go back to the brightness at 8. By choosing the brightness level, hitting save. Hitting on the lower left arrow goes back to the main screen. We have auto lock to lock the system. And that is everything that you need to know about the unit. The unit gathers from the Wi-Fi through the internet or what the weather is today. This is not a touch screen. When entering all the correct information, on the screen of the smartphone will match the screen of the unit, showing you today's high, 71 degrees, the low, 51 degrees, the time, the date, if it's going to rain, the sun, and rain, and weather. 76 degrees, 71% humidity. And we have the unit hooked up that come over and tap onto the light to show up and conserves power without being in the on position. In order to have the unit stay on in 100% position, the plug needs to be plugged into an optional brick power source. This is how the unit works. Shows the temperature of indoor and outdoor temperature. Outdoor is 71 degrees, is 79 degrees Fahrenheit inside, and I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in an outdoor-indoor weather station. Thank you for viewing.